One simple sentence can change your life. A greeting, an introduction, a few English words. That is how jobs, friendships, and opportunities begin. If you don't speak, opportunities pass you by. But when you communicate confidently, life starts opening doors for you. Today, you will learn how to attract opportunities through positive English communication.
LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. Today's lesson is about communication. How speaking simple English can attract new chances into your life.
For communication vocabulary,
Let's learn some very important words. Greet, to say hello. Introduce, to tell your name. Speak, to use your voice. Share, to give information or ideas. Repeat after me. Greet, introduce, speak, share. Excellent! In the law of attraction, action is very important. Positive communication is action. When you greet people, when you introduce yourself, when you speak confidently, you send this message to the universe. I am ready for opportunities. And opportunities come to people who are ready. Now let's learn some simple and powerful sentences. Repeat after me. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is. I am learning English. I like to improve myself. Thank you for your time. These sentences are small, but they create big chances. Now let's practice together. Imagine you meet someone new. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is blah, blah, blah. Nice to meet you. Again, hello, my name is. Nice to meet you. Very good. Now listen to this short dialogue. Hello, my name is Anna.
Hello, Anna. Nice to meet you. My name is Ben.
Now you try. Say hello, my name is. Great! This is how communication begins.
introduce yourself confidently, classroom practice.
Now it's your turn to speak confidently. Use this pattern. Hello, my name is. I am learning English. Now your chance. Say it now, out loud. Excellent! Remember, confidence does not come first. Speaking comes first, confidence follows.
Mini law of attraction, communication, affirmations.
Repeat after me. I speak with confidence. I communicate clearly. I attract positive opportunities. People listen to me. I am ready for new chances. Beautiful! Always remember this truth. Opportunities don't come to silent minds. They come to speaking minds. Greet people. Introduce yourself. Share your ideas. Your English does not need to be perfect. It needs to be used. If you enjoyed this lesson,
Please like, share and subscribe to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
comment below. Write your self-introduction in English. I will see you in the next lesson. Keep speaking. Keep attracting. Keep growing.